guys, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing another just informal unboxing video. I'm on my floor, I'm chill, I don't even know if my lighting is okay, we're just gonna go with it. So today's brand or box that I'm going to be unboxing is Katari Beauty. Now they are a natural luxury words. So they are a luxury natural skincare and partly hair care line that specializes in creating products that are made in the Mediterranean by the artisans there. So that's why it's a little bit pricey, because everything is handmade. It is made overseas and then shipped to where it needs to be shipped. So I got a nice little box from them. I don't remember what I got, so this is going to be a surprise for the both of us. I remember what the product was called, but I just don't remember what it was, so we are going to be in for a little treat together. So I love that everything's kind of packed in paper and they're just kind of wrapped in a little nice card. So this is just saying how to use their products. It says mix, pour, store, and repeat. I guess I got a kit. It says each kit includes funnels, straw, dropper, mixing bowl, spoon, and a variety of stunning jars, bottles, and for pouring, mixing, and storing. And just a little note on the back. Dear Noria, so grateful for you and what you do to help people discover truly natural beauty. Thank you so much for choosing Katari. And just some more info on how I can get in contact with her if I have any questions about the product. So without further ado, let's just jump right on in. So it's gonna be a little noisy because there's paper and I wanted to do a blind unboxing because I actually didn't remember anything in here. So yeah. You had me at black. I love just black wrapping paper. That's off topic. Anyway. Okay, this says Voya? Y'all know I can't pronounce nothing. So this is the Mediterranean Beauty Essentials Complete Skin and Hair Care Regimen for travel. So I remember I did get a travel set. How do I open it? I don't want to mess up the packaging. No! I'm going to grab a knife. Okay. I don't want to mess up the packaging. It looks way too pretty. So, we're going in with the knife. I think. Just cut along. Do not cut your fingers. Come on. Come on. There we go. Does it say what's in here? Oh, it does. Cool. So, what is this? So cute. It's a little baby mixing bowl. A little mixing bowl. And then it's a sponge. What is this? Sea sponge. Why did I smell that? I have no idea, but sea sponge mixing bowl. First product I pull out, Argil. This is the restorative face mask. Oh, that's one thing also about their products. Their masks, and I want to say just the hair mask, but the masks are powders that you just mix with a little bit of water, or if you have like a certain toner you want to use, you could use that as well. So this is the face mask. This is a sample of their skin serum. You know, baby serum. They say that a few drops go a long way, so this might actually last a while. What else is in here? I'm going to say this is the Rose Toner. And again, these are the travel sizes. Of course, they do have the larger ones. This is hydrating mist, always a nice thing to refresh the face during the day. What else is in here? Just a, I guess, mixing brush. Mixing spatula. No, application brush. It's their application brush. I love these little baby. Oh, these look so cute. It's not why I got this, but still, it's cute. A nice wooden spoon to mix everything. This is the cleanser moisturizer. I want to say this is jojoba oil, because it says jojoba on it, so I'm hoping it's the jojoba oil. I'm pretty sure it is. We have the mixing spatula, also wood, and mixing instructions and tips, regimen which you can follow. I guess a little pamphlet guide about each of the products. And this is a bigger version of the restorative hair mask slash face mask. So that's another thing. The hair and the face mask, I want to say they're the exact same product. It's just how much you get. So yeah, that was everything in the Voya kit. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. I have no idea. What is this? Let me just talk about this black packaging. I love it. I love it. Moisturizing cleanser, Mediterranean cleanser and moisturizer. So I want to say ingredients. Yep. 100% organic jojoba plant extract. I can pronounce. And I love that it's organic. So it's basically another cleansing balm, which I love, especially for days when I film. I like to double cleanse. Actually, I like to double cleanse all the time. So that information was irrelevant. So anyway, one more thing in here, which I really don't know what is. What is this? Oh, this is the Rose Toner. I love how hefty this glass is. It's spilling just a tiny bit. Oh, it smells so refreshing. So this is the Pore Reducer Soothes and Tightens. 100% pure rose oil. Scent naturally varies by season. This smells so amazing. It's like a light rose scent, not like in your face rose scent. I'm kind of iffy when it comes to flower scents, so but I really love the smell of this. And I love the frosted glass that this comes in. That just looks so beautiful. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got from Katari. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. Katari Beauty. Right now, or at least where this was shipped from Denver, but of course they do work a lot in the Mediterranean because that's where most of this, or all this stuff, is created. So yeah, I'll be testing these out throughout the year. I have some other products I need to go through first, but I will be testing these out, so you'll definitely see them again. More so probably on my Instagram, just because that's where I do a lot of my quick reviews. I'm starting to use Insta stories a little bit more, and of course just my general posts. Be sure just to check it out. Follow me on there. That's probably the easiest way to contact me too, is through the DMs on Instagram. So if you guys have any suggestions or requests that you would like me to do as far as videos, leave them there or in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!